Hey guys, so today we are down at Southern Design RV in Ballarat. So I thought I would use this opportunity to show you and go through the colours that we chose for our caravan and why. So firstly, we went the same colour as this van, pretty much. So the wood grain bench tops, we just wanted it to feel as homely as possible, and we just found that wood grain look did that, and we didn't want to go the glossy as well, just because of fingerprints for the kids. So if you are planning to travel with kids, make sure you take that into consideration. They always have dirty fingers. If they touch anything glossy, it's going to show up straight away. So that's that. For the couches, we went the dark, which is the Viva Graphite. That's the specific name of it. We went the dark leather. Again, having kids, you don't want to see all those scuff marks and things like that. With the flooring, we just went the light timber colour, and we have not had an issue with that colour at all. It doesn't show up anything. If there's sand and stuff on the floor, you don't see it as often as well. And we went the same colour cupboards as this Caravan, which is a matte finish. There's a little bit of like sparkle kind of in it as well, which you probably can't see on the camera, but again, no gloss, perfect for kids. So my first tip when you are designing your caravan, especially female, male, whoever's picking the colours, just make sure you take into consideration the kids' hands, the mess, the fingerprints, all that stuff that gets on their hands. So I hope that video helps in some way. If you want to know the specific colours or names of anything that we used and we picked, let us know below this video and we'll get back to you.